How to withdraw crypto from Kraken app. In order to do it, you first need to launch your Kraken mobile application. Here on the home page, you need to tap the action icon that would be located on the bottom of the screen. Here you will be able to see the withdraw option, so you simply need to select that. Afterwards, you need to choose the currency that you would like to withdraw, and then you need to input the amount. In the withdraw to section, you need to simply select an existing withdrawal address, or you can even click enter a new bank account option. To add a new bank account, you need to select the preferred funding method. Then you need to input a unique description to name the account and follow the further instructions and provide the required details. Then you need to click on the review button and swipe in order to confirm your transaction. Now once your transaction is confirmed and completed, you will be able to get your withdrawal amount in your selected payment method. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.